Well, in this video, I will explain how to calculate typology classen in the Semarang city. In this video, I will identify the leading commodities in the city of Semarang. The data that I use is the GDP for Central Java Province and GDP for Semarang city. Before calculating the typology classen, here are the steps to prepare the necessary data. The first step is prepare the GDP data for Central Java Province and GDP data in Semarang City. Data that I use is from 2014 to 2018, namely GDP according to the business sector. Then calculate the GDP growth rate in following way. Subtract the last year GDP minus the first GDP and divide with the first GDP in 2014. The result is the growth rate, and then do it to all sector business and the data to get a result of that of the growth rate in all the year, and then calculation the average of the growth rate from 2015 to 2018 and do it to all the sector. Next, calculate the contribution value of each sector by dividing the GDP to each sector divide by the total GDP in Semarang City, and don't forget to add the dollar symbol at the formula. This is the result of the contribution value, and do it to all sector and all data. And then calculate the average of the contribution value from 2014 to 2018. That is the result of the average, and do it to all data. And then we have to calculate at the GDP of Central Java Province with the same formula. First, we calculate the growth rate on GDP by dividing the GDP at 2015, subtract with GDP in 2014, and then divide with the GDP in 2014 of the first years, and do it to all data and all sector, and then calculate the average of the growth rate value from 2015 to 2018, and do it to all sector to get the average value. Next, calculate the contribution value by dividing the GDP of each sector by the total GDP of each sector, and don't forget to add the dollar symbol, and do it to all sector and all data, and then calculate the average of the contribution value from 2014 to 2018. Do it to all data too. This is the data that we need to calculate the class and typology, and then we calculate the class and typology. The first is transfer the average growth data and the average contribution to the typology analysis column. This is the average growth rate in Central Java Province, and this is the Semarang City, and then this is the average of contribution value for Central Java Province, then this is for Semarang City, and then compare the average value of growth rate and at Central Java Province by the average growth rate from Semarang City and contribution between the Central Java Province and Semarang City, and look at the type of sector and quadrant sector, and get information on the type of sector and sector quadrant, and for the example, in number 1 is in quadrant 4, because the growth rate in Semarang City less than the growth rate at Central Java Province, and the contribution value of Semarang City less than the contribution value at Central Java Province, and do it to all data by the compare at growth rate and contribution value.